Panda. Panda. A black and white bear native to China. The panda feasted on bamboo shoots. Pangolin. Pangolin. A scaly anteater with protective keratin scales covering its body. The pangolin curled into a ball when threatened. Panther. Panther. A term often used for large, dark-colored big cat. The panther stalked silently through the jungle. Parrot. Parrot. A colorful tropical bird known for its ability to mimic sounds. The parrot chattered and mimicked human speech. Peacock. Peacock. A large and brightly colored bird known for its extravagant tail feathers. The peacock displayed its vibrant feathers during the mating dance. Pelican. Pelican. A large water bird with a distinctive pouch under its beak. The pelican dived into the water to catch fish. Penguin. Penguin. A flightless aquatic bird found in the southern hemisphere. The penguin slid on its belly across the ice. Pig. Pig. A domesticated mammal often raised for its meat, known for its stout body and snout. The pig oinked happily in the mud. Pika. Pika. A small mountain-dwelling mammal related to rabbits. The pika is known for its high-pitched calls in rocky alpine environments. Platypus. Platypus. A unique egg-laying mammal with a duck bill and webbed feet, native to Australia. The platypus is one of the few mammals that lay eggs. Polar bear. Polar bear. A large bear adapted to cold Arctic environments. The polar bear roamed the icy tundra. Porcupine. Porcupine. A rodent with sharp spines or quills on its back, used for defense against predators. The porcupine raised its quills when threatened. Possum. Possum. A marsupial with a long tail and a pointed snout. The possum curled up in a tree hollow during the day. Prairie dog. Prairie dog. A burrowing rodent that lives in colonies, creating complex underground tunnels. The prairie dog stood guard near its burrow, barking at intruders. Puffin. Puffin. A seabird with a distinctive brightly colored beak, known for its ability to fly underwater. The puffin soared through the air and dove into the ocean to catch a fish. Quokka. Quokka. A small marsupial with a friendly appearance, native to Australia. The quokka approached the camera with a curious expression. Rabbit. Rabbit. A small mammal with long ears and a short tail, known for its prolific breeding. The rabbit nibbled on grass in the meadow. Raccoon. Raccoon. A medium-sized mammal with a distinctive facial markings and a bushy tail. The raccoon scavenged for food in the urban environment. Red fox. Red fox. A fox species with reddish-brown fur and a white-tipped tail. The red fox prowled the fields in search of prey. Red kangaroo. Red kangaroo. The largest marsupial, known for its reddish-brown fur and powerful hind legs. The red kangaroo bounded across the Australian outback. Red panda. A small, arboreal mammal with reddish fur. The red panda perched in the tree canopy. Reindeer. Reindeer. A domesticated deer often associated with Santa Claus. The reindeer pulled Santa's sleigh on Christmas Eve. Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. A large herbivorous mammal with a horn on its snout. The rhinoceros charged through the savanna. Rooster. Rooster. A male chicken known for its crowing at dawn. The rooster's crow signaled the start of the day. Salmon. Salmon. A large migratory fish known for its pink flesh and distinctive flavor. The grizzly bear eagerly caught the salmon leaping upstream. Sasquatch. Sasquatch. A mythological ape-like creature said to inhabit remote forests. Some claim to have seen the elusive Sasquatch in the deep woods. Seagull. Seagull. A common coastal bird with a distinctive cry. The seagull soared above the beach. Seal. Seal. A marine mammal with a sleek body, flippers, and often a layer of blubber adapted to life in the water. The seal basked in the sun on the rocky shore. Shark. Shark. A large fish with a cartilaginous skeleton known for its sharp teeth. The shark patrolled the ocean waters in search of prey. Sheep. Sheep. A domesticated ruminant mammal raised for its wool, meat, or milk. The sheep grazed peacefully in the pasture. Skunk. Skunk. A small mammal known for its black and white coloration and the ability to spray a foul-smelling liquid as a defense mechanism. The skunk raised its tail as a warning. Sloth. Sloth. A slow-moving arboreal mammal. The sloth clung to the tree branches. Sloth bear. Sloth bear. A bear with a shaggy fur found in South Asia. The sloth bear climbed trees in search of termites. Snake. Snake. A long, legless reptile that moves by slithering. The snake silently glided through the grass in search of prey. Spider monkey. A monkey with long limbs native to Central and South America. The spider monkey swung effortlessly between the trees. Squirrel. Squirrel. A small to medium-sized rodent with a bushy tail. The squirrel scampered up the tree with an acorn in its mouth. Squirrel monkey. A small monkey with a short muzzle and a non-prehensile tail. The squirrel monkey chattered excitedly as it moved through the branches. Sugar glider. A small gliding possum with a membrane between its forelimbs and hind limbs. The sugar glider glided from the tree to tree in search of nectar. Swan. Swan. A large water bird with a long neck, bill, and legs. The elegant swan glided gracefully across the lake. Tamarin. Tamarin. A small monkey with a long tail and lion-like mane of hair around its face. The tamarin foraged for fruit in the Amazon rainforest. Tapir. Tapir. A large herbivorous mammal with a short trunk. The tapir rustled through the underbrush. Tasmanian devil. A carnivorous marsupial with a stocky build native to Tasmania. The Tasmanian devil let out eerie screeches in the night. Tiger. Tiger. A large striped feline known for its strength and agility. The tiger prowled through the jungle. Toucan. Toucan. A brightly colored tropical bird with a large, colorful beak. The toucan's vibrant beak is its distinctive feature. Trout. Trout. A freshwater fish with speckled body and streamlined shape. The angler proudly displayed his prized trout. Turkey. Turkey. A large bird native to North America, often domesticated for its meat. The turkey strutted around the farmyard. Wallaby. Wallaby. A smaller marsupial similar to a kangaroo, native to Australia and nearby islands. The wallaby grazed on grass in the coastal bushland. Wallaroo. Wallaroo. An intermediate-sized marsupial between a kangaroo and a wallaby. The wallaroo grazed in the rocky terrain of the Australian outback. Walrus. Walrus. A large, flippered marine mammal. The walrus rested on the ice floe. Whale. Whale. A large, marine mammal. The whale breached the surface of the sea. Wildebeest. Wildebeest. A large African antelope with a mane and beard. The wildebeest joined the migration. Wolf. Wolf. A carnivorous mammal of the dog family. The wolf howled in the moonlit night. Wolverine. Wolverine. A stocky carnivorous mammal with a reputation for strength and ferocity. The wolverine scavenged for food in the snowy wilderness. Wombat. Wombat. A burrowing marsupial with a stout body and short tail. The wombat dug a cozy burrow in the sandy soil. Yak. Yak. A shaggy-haired bovine mammal found in the Himalayas. The yak was well suited to the mountainous terrain. Zebra. Zebra. An African wild horse with distinctive black and white stripes. The zebra's stripes provided excellent camouflage in the grasslands.